Understanding slicked up in English. Hey language enthusiasts! Today we're going to explore the phrase, slicked up, in the English language. It's a colorful expression that you might come across in various contexts. Stick around to discover what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Slicked up is a combination of the word slick and the preposition up. Let's look at them individually. Slick. This word can mean smooth, glossy, or slippery. It can be used both literally, like describing a wet road, or figuratively, like describing a person who is smooth talking. Up. In this context, up is used to intensify the verb it follows, adding emphasis. When combined, slicked up means to make something or someone look smooth, neat, or stylish. 1. Hair. He slicked up his hair with gel for the party. In this context, it means making the hair look neat and glossy using a product. 2. Dressing. She slicked up for the awards ceremony tonight. Here, it implies that she dressed stylishly or elegantly for the event. 3. Environment. The room was slicked up for the guests. This means the room was tidied and made to look neat. Understanding synonyms or related phrases can deepen your understanding of the term. Spruced up. This means to make someone or something cleaner, neater, or more attractive. Dressed up refers to wearing clothes that are more formal than what you usually wear. Gussied up. This is a more informal way to say someone has dressed up or made themselves look more attractive. And there we have it. Now, whenever you come across the term slicked up, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it. We hope you found this explanation helpful, and we encourage you to sprinkle this phrase into your conversations for that extra flair. Keep learning and stay curious.